Hello students, welcome to your school YouTube channel. Today's topic is, why do diamonds last forever? So without wasting time, let's quickly start the video and learn. They say diamonds are forever, but have you ever wondered why? What makes this sparkling stone so strong, so timeless and so unbreakable? Let's dive into the science and secrets behind why diamonds truly last forever. 1. What is a diamond? A diamond is much more than just a beautiful gemstone. It's a form of carbon, the same element found in graphite, the soft stuff in your pencil. But while graphite is soft and can crumble easily, diamonds are the hardest naturally occurring material on Earth. So how does that happen? The answer lies in atomic structure and extreme pressure. 2. Born under pressure. Diamonds are formed deep beneath the Earth's surface, about 140 to 190 kilometers down. In the mantle, down there, carbon atoms are exposed to temperatures of over 1000 degrees Celsius and pressures that are more than 50,000 times what we feel at sea level. Under these intense conditions, the carbon atoms are forced into a very tight crystal structure called a tetrahedral lattice. Each carbon atom bonds strongly to four others, forming a solid 3D network. This structure is the key to a diamond's incredible strength and durability. 3. The science of strength. Diamonds are ranked 10 on the Mohs hardness scale, which means they can scratch any other material, even steel or glass, but nothing can scratch it, diamond, except another diamond. This isn't just strength, it's hardness, which means resistance to being scratched or worn down. That's why diamonds don't just shine, they stay shiny for generations. This is also why they're often used in industrial cutting tools and drills. 4. Chemically stable and timeless. Another reason diamonds last forever is because they're chemically stable. Unlike other materials, diamonds don't react easily with oxygen, water, or most acids, so they don't rust, corrode, or break down. In fact, diamonds can stay and change for billions of years, unless they're exposed to extreme heat and pressure again, like deep inside the earth or in a lab. Otherwise, your grandmother's diamond and ring will look just as good in your granddaughter's hands. 5. Marketing made it immortal. Now here's a fun twist: the phrase diamond is forever was actually made famous by a De Beers advertisement in 1947. It wasn't just about science, it was a brilliant marketing move that linked diamonds with love, commitment, and eternity. The science supports it. Yes, diamonds do last forever. But it was this marketing that made diamonds the ultimate symbol of lasting relationships. 6. Can a diamond be destroyed? Technically, yes, a diamond can be destroyed, but only under extreme conditions. For example, if heated to over 800 degrees Celsius in the presence of oxygen, it can burn and turn into carbon dioxide gas. But under normal conditions, like in your jewelry box or on your finger, a diamond will outlive you, me, and possibly even our planet. Conclusion: forever, for real? So why do diamonds last forever? Because they're made from the strongest material, formed under immense natural pressure, and built in a way that resists time, wear, and chemistry. Whether it's science, symbolism, or sparkle, diamonds truly are forever. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science and nature facts. And hey, let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn about next.